Before adding rates to the system, it's possible to set up seasonal rates. In which case we first have to register seasons. If you have the same rate structure throughout the year, then you wouldn't need this option. And would then tick this option off from the dashboard. However, if you choose to work with different rates, we can start the configuration by clicking on the Setup button. We start by adding multiple seasons. In our example, there is already a season created. We can click on it to open its configuration. Then, we can modify its name. Let's call it low season for example. Next, we can set the dates for which this season will be valid. Let's pick January to June. We now can set the minimum rental period. So maybe for this low season, let's set a minimum of 2-day bookings. In the same way, we can set a maximum rental period. We have the option of repeating the selected period for the next year, so we don't need to create new seasons with the same parameters every year. Let's now save this season. And then let's add a new season. We might want to call that a high season. We can then set its active period, from July to December for example. We might say that the minimum rental period will be for 4 days. And let's also apply this season for next year. Let's save it. We now see the two seasons here, and they do not overlap with each other. This is important, as we cannot have more than one season active for a given period. Once we have the seasons set up, we can go on to the next step to set up rates.